Don't be scared. She's very relaxed, this leopardess. Now she's starting to walk off a bit. You can see her picking up on all the scents as she's walking. See how beautiful they are, hey guys? It's a gorgeous animal. And do you see? Yeah, she's quite skinny for the moment, but they put on weight quite quickly. When they eat, they gorge themselves, so she'll eat like multiple kilograms at a time of meat. Quite a bit. And she'll take down like fully grown impala at the moment, and they have incredible power. She'll drag that impala right into the top of a tree to try and remove it from hyena, because otherwise hyena weight ratio wise will outpower her and steal that carcass from her, and then she's wasted all that energy trying to get that food source, and then it's been stolen. Yeah, I'm gonna call them in now. She's gonna move down. Look, she's heading down towards the water. There we go. But watch her, enjoy it.
She's coming away.
She's walking back on the road now.
Sit down. Sit. Don't sudden movement. No sudden movement.
She's walking back on the road. It's okay.
Backwards.